sila. Si Yoyo, man si Yoyo. Yo, wala na ka maka. Wala na yung tama ko. Yo. Okay na. Okay na, smile. Say hi to the camera. Hi, Jiboy. Mahadlok na siya. Mahadlok siya Uncle Frank. Dito ba? Mga tumi sa unahan. Oh, man tadapin matukol.
Yo, libot na ng mga payag-payag. Gusto na ano. Yun na, handa.
Say hi to the camera da.
Hi to the camera.
The engine is broke, buddy. The engine is broke. Bye! Agoy, ang numbers in Paris, oh. Ay! Kaitok! Long!
Daghang salamat sa tanan. Ako lang pasalamatan ang ako.
Wala ba diha? Wala ba?
Oh, pinaka the best yun akong pasalamatan ang akong gikan sa Cebu. Wala eh. Yung kasi Ilong Sabsalong. Huwag lakaw sa tanang ang akong ikaupat na lagi si Arnold Sabsalong. Birthday niya. Karon nagsiguan na ko karon. Karon pag ko makapag microphone. Daghang salamat sa kusinira.
Mauwahi man ang mga main sponsor.
I must say that this is a very warm and happy feeling to be here with all of my family. It makes me feel so good.
Release the mic, they can't hear you.
Makes me feel so good, so warm inside my heart. Family here with me, and this has got to be one of the best days of my life. This is to be with all of you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being so kind to me and so welcoming. Thank you very much.
Tomorrow.
Sa may mong to Pinay, 77.